What's up everyone, in this guide I'll show you how to download Java on your Mac. But before you start, please consider to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Please follow my steps. Launch your browser and after that open up your search bar at the very top. Click here and type in java.com. Tap enter and here click on download Java, and once you're here you can click download Java for MacOS Intel, and if you have ARM64 you can click on this link. For my case I have ARM64, and after that download is started and you can wait and just do double click here and install here. If you have any problem with installation your program, you can check this playlist. I hope it helps. Click on Open button, and in the pop-up window that appear, you can click on Remove or just Install. I click on Install button, and here typing my password of Mac. Click on OK button, just wait installing. And that's it. As you can see, you have successfully installed Java 8, and click on Close button. That's it. I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about MacBook.